Today we will solve one of the grade 12 general mathematics examination questions that appeared in 2014 national exams. Before we go on, help us grow this channel. Hit the like and subscribe buttons. Let us begin. Step 1. Let's start by identifying the components that make up the outer boundary, that is, the perimeter of this figure. We can see there are 4 straight sides and 1 curved semicircular arc. So, the perimeter consists of 4 straight sides and 1 curved arc. Step 2. Now let's look at the bottom horizontal side. Its length is clearly given as 7. So, the bottom side length equals 7. Step 3. Next, the left vertical side. Its length is given as 3. The left vertical side equals 3. Step 4. Moving to the top left horizontal straight side. Its length is also given as 3. So, the top left horizontal straight side equals 3. Step 5. Now the right vertical side. Just like the left side, its length is 3. The right vertical side equals 3. Step 6. Now we need to find the diameter of the semicircular arc at the top. The diameter is simply the total bottom width minus the top left straight portion. So diameter equals 7 minus 3, which gives us 4. Step 7. Let's recall the formula for the curved length, the arc of a semicircle. It's exactly half of a full circle circumference. So, arc equals 1/2 times pi times the diameter. Step 8. Now we substitute the diameter we found, which is 4, into the formula. 1/2 times pi times 4 equals to pi. So, the length of the semicircular arc is 2 pi. Step 9. Let's add up all the straight outer sides. 7 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 equals 16. The total of all straight edges is 16. Step 10. Finally, we combine the total straight edge length with the semicircular arc to get the complete perimeter, 16 plus 2 pi. And that matches option B. The correct answer is B, 16 plus 2 pi.